Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fifth puzzle. Yeah, the last puzzle was a very hard one. Yes, this one a binary puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, September the 30th, 2020. Yes, it's a binary puzzle. What kind of binary puzzle is this? But first, this will be number 1656. Yes, and this one, let me count: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double 1 here and O, then O. Double 1 here and O, then O. Double O here and 1, then 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Double O here and 1, then 1. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, then 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, then 1. And now 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 4 ones in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double O. Here 1, then 1. And then do I need to compare? That's the question. Can I compare? That is this. Double between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes in O. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here and O, then O. Double O here and 1, then 1. Then yes. Alright. Where can I place? Double O here and 1, then 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Double O here and 1, then 1. Yes, this row and that row. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1. Empty box 0 0. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O there. This should be a 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Then 3 3. Do I need to compare again? Yes. This column and that column. Empty box 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. Empty box. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Double O here and 1, then 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, then 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. You need to compare, so you need to look for that 1 or for that O. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the no, binary number 2. Yes. See you later. Bye bye.